She's back! Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Annyta, and this look is all about eyeshadow. I am not an eyeshadow girl. If you realize, or if you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you would see that I really do not wear eyeshadows, but this look is all for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to do a smoky eyeshadow look. If you love this look, keep on watching. As you can see, guys, I'm already done with, well, not done with my makeup, but I mean, I'm half done with my makeup. I have my contour, my highlight, my brows done already, and the main focus of this video is to achieve a smoky, well, just a very beautiful eyeshadow look today. On a normal day, I don't wear eyeshadows. I just wear my makeup like this and put like maybe powder over my eyes and just a natural look that I usually do on a normal day. But today I'm doing this because of you guys and it's requested, so I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Let's dive into this look. To start off, I'll be using the Urban Decay primer. And usually I like setting my primer. I'm going to go in with my powder and just create like a flat, easy base that I can work on. So to achieve this eyeshadow look, I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So for my transition shade, I'll be using this shade. I think on the palette it says faint, but yeah, I'll be using this one for my transition shade. I will go in with the third shade on the Jaclyn Hill palette as my transition shade and work that all over my crease. Still going in again with the same brush in on that same eyeshadow, third shade, and go in again all over, just working it in my crease. I'll be going in with this base, this eyeshadow here. I believe it is called Pukey. So I'll go in with Pukey to just give my crease a base. So I'm still going in on my crease, just practically just making it a bit darker. But this is just giving it like a softer brown base. And the trick is blending. I will be going in with this darker shade just to give some balance to my crease. After taking the product from my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, I dust out the rest of the product and I'll go in again on my crease and just go in and out into my V-line and to the corner, to my crease. Don't worry about the fallouts on my lashes because I can see them. I will take them out with the spoolie. It really doesn't matter. Comes out clean at the end of the day. Now that's done. Still gonna go in again, that same shade, to darken it up a little bit on my crease. So I'm only just packing my product on my crease. And, well, just to my satisfaction. trying to create a smoky eye look. So just keep blending till you're satisfied with your look. I'm going to go in on that same line where I got the last eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this shade here just to intensify my crease just a little bit. And I think that's about it. So all I'm doing is going in, packing my eyeshadow on each layer. As you can see like a transition shade, the very light brown, the other brown, then the red one, and this dark one, as you can see right there. So I'm just going in and blending them all out together. And then I'll go in again with the clean brush, fluffy clean brush, and buff out the excess, just to soften it out so you don't see any hash lines. So it's all clean. I'll do the same thing on the other eye as well. The last part, to intensify my crease, I will go in with the dark shade. Just trying to create a good look for you guys. We're playing together, so let's play with eyeshadows, okay? So I'm going in with this very dark shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one right here. And I believe it's called... Do I know if this is actually not arranged? Really? Oh my gosh! I have been calling out the palette shades very wrongly. I think it is named, if I'm not mistaken. The names are kind of like not arranged, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. I think this shade, whatever it's called, I think it's called Chip. Yeah, it's called Chip. I will be using this shade called Chip. Right. Chip, 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 chip. Go in with Chip. And I have been using 2 brushes for this look. I've used just 2 fluffy brushes, and both of them are called the Morphe and the Nubian. Oh my goodness, Nude Beauty brush, and the Morphe fluffy brush as well, both of them. I'm going to go in with the clean brush to intensify my crease. And then that's enough of the intensifying of the crease. Right, so this eyeshadow is coming along. I am loving it. I hope you are too, because I love my eyeshadow. I mean, I really don't wear eyeshadows, and this is actually good. Now, drum roll. We're going to be playing with the shine. It's called Shimmery. The shimmery part of the eyeshadow is what we're going to play with. And I think I will be using, what can I use on this palette? Any suggestions? Maybe, oh, okay. I'll use this eyeshadow here. This one should be called Little Lady. Yes, Little Lady, right here. So this flat brush has no name. Flat brush has no name, but I'm going in with this flat brush, and I'll just spray some fixed spray on it to intensify that beautiful color I just showed you. Okay? And to wrap this look up, I am going to put color in my waterline. For my waterline, I will use the mabrook dark black pencil. I'm done with the mabrook pencil in my waterline. I'm going to go in with one of the eyeshadows that I used for my crease, and that would be the eyeshadow in this color. This one here, I think it should be Jazz, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Jazz. This is Jazz. I hope I got that right, because I've been switching with all these colors, not getting it right. But if you understand, go get the Jaclyn palette so you can actually understand properly. But yes, I'll use that again to buff out my dark waterline. So I actually darkened my waterline with this eyeshadow here, and I made it a bit darker more because I realized that, you know, the red was just giving me like a red, you know, color that I didn't want. So I used this one, and I went back and I used this dark eyeshadow right here, this one. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and we're going to use, well, I don't think I want to use liquid eyeliner for my, you know, for my eyeliner wing, but I think I'm going to use the mabrook pencil to give me an illusion of having, what's it called? A wing eyeliner or an eyeliner. Whatever. Let's do this. Okay, we are done. Well, almost done. Just one little bitsy little info. I want to use this one here for my tear dot. I'm gonna dip a little brush in. Well, literally, gotta spray it first. All done. Done and dusted. Drum roll. All done. How'd you like my eyeshadow? Because I am loving it. After this, we will wrap this whole look with the powder and intensify my contour, and then put a highlight, and you see the final look. Stay tuned. My favorite part of makeup is highlight, and I am going to use the Dose of Color Baked Highlight. I will set my face with the Tacha spray. Lip pencil. It's called Crayon Contour de Lèvres lip pencil. Well, it's the lip pencil in nude. Nude. That's it. I'm going to go in with the Bobbi Brown lip gloss as well. And we are done. How do you like my look? I love my eyeshadow. For a person who doesn't wear eyeshadow all the time, or I mean in a year, I think I'll wear eyeshadow like maybe twice. Maybe. That's a maybe if I feel like. But today I did this all for you guys and I am so excited. I am loving this. It's a good thing I'm going out because I'm going to show this look to everyone. If you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and let me know what you would like to see in my next video. And also, I am wearing the luscious hair. I will leave the link in the info down below. Bye guys!